Okay, let's talk about the black bag that's in the CS&AI for the 8 Plus. And I mentioned earlier they didn't make the cross axle parts in the bricks, and I think it was for cost for how much the set would be, but they did add a few in, and they have the black ones with the cross in. There are a lot of these in the Spike Prime, I believe this when they started out. Spike Prime, Spike Essential, and all the science sets. Well, most of the science bricks, 2x4s, have the axle pin in the middle part. Very useful, very exciting, and they work well just with additional functions. We do have some 1x6 Technic bricks over here, some sliders, tile curves. They added these back again. Had so much fun with these little rubber stopper parts right here to do. We have 4 axles and shorter little bendy parts here, which work in an extender piece I talked about earlier. And they are able to turn with a very low torque. They do slip a little bit, but are able to turn as basically a flexible axle. So this can actually go into here and move things, but again, not a high torque item. These here look like train wheels, and I'm sure they derived from that, but are our new pulley belt wheels. Our pulley wheels are this axle and side, 2 different sizes. I don't know the diameter of that. I'll have to play around with that to see what it is, but it looks like a 2 to 3, and you have 2 of those to change either same size, speeding up, speeding down, and twisting and doing different things like that. I think the red belt will be large enough to twist on those to change the axle, to change the direction of it as well. We have a, let me check and see. Is this friction? Oh, it's frictionless. Okay, so frictionless connector part here, which will work really well with the wheels, and it has a axle part in the top. We only have 2 wheels in this set here. Runs really smoothly, and we have our conical gears here, as well as some different shape pieces you'll see in the white set that they have more like a angled kind of parts in there. So, all right, this is the contribution for the black bag, and some inverted longer tile pieces with some sloped parts here. I didn't turn those sideways so you can see that better, but that's what those are. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.